Hello viewers, I'm Maithili. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Probability Exercise 16.2 question number 6. Let's see the question. Two dice are thrown. The events A, B and C are as follows. So if two dice are rolled, let me write the sample space first, only then we can able to think it. Now the sample space S is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5 and 1, 6. Same way 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5 and 2, 6. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5 and 3, 6. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5 and 4, 6. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5 and 5, 6. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. Now the first one, let us see the A. A is getting even number on the first die. On the first die means on the first number it should be an even number. Here if you take the row of 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, it has an even number on the first die. Same with 4, it has an even number on the first die. Same with 6 row. Here it has an even number on the first die. So your A will contain 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5 and 2, 6. Same way for 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Same way 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So now we'll move on to B. For B, getting an odd number on the first die. Odd number on the first die means it should have an odd number, that is 1, 3 and 5. So this row and this row. So it has odd number on the first die. So let me take B. B is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Same way 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5 and 5, 6. So we have written A, we have written B, we'll move on to C. C, getting the sum of the number on the dice which is less than or equal to 5. So less than or equal to 5 means the sum. Always see the sum for sum, the last number. Here if we add we get 7, so leave it off. Here if we add we get 6, leave it off. Here if we add we get 5. It is 5 and equal to 5 means it will have this row. These are the number greater than 5 and less than 5. Sorry, equal to 5 and less than 5. If you add, you see 3 or 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 3, 2. Always take the diagonal for the sum, and if it is less than, go to the top of position, or if it is greater than, to the lower position on the right hand side. Now let me write the C. C, as I told before, we need to write the sum which is equal to or less than 5, which is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, sorry 3 comma 2, 4 comma 1. These are the number. Now we'll start with the first subdivision. The first subdivision, they are just asked us to describe the events. The first subdivision, they are given A complement or A dash. We can call this as A complement or A dash. This is not, nothing but not A. A complement is nothing but not A. That is other than A in the sample space. Here in A, they have given getting an even number on the first die. So getting an even number on the first die means the opposite of it. Other than getting an even number on the first die is nothing but getting an odd number on the first die. So remember that this is quite opposite of what we are having. So A dash in this case is nothing but B, because in B they have given getting an odd number on the first die. So other than even number is nothing but the odd numbers. We'll move on to the second one, second subdivision. Here they have given not B. Not B is nothing but B complement. For B complement we know it is for B they have given getting an odd number on the first die. That means the opposite of is getting an even number on the first die. That means here B dash is nothing but what? A. We'll move on to the third one. In the third subdivision they have given A or B. A or B is nothing but A union B. Remember that OR means union and means intersection. So OR here they have given. So we need to find the union of A union B. Here A union B, if you take the odd numbers and all the even numbers on the first time, then we are getting the sample space. So A union B in this case is nothing but what? The sample space, because here this includes everything of the sample space. So taking everything we get the sample space. We'll move on to the fourth subdivision. In the fourth subdivision they are asked for A intersection B. A for A and B there is no common value because this is an odd number on the first die, this is an even number on the first die. So we don't have a common. A and B is nothing but the intersection. There is no intersection, so it is a null set. We'll move on to the fifth subdivision. Fifth subdivision they have given A but not C. That means A but not means it is minus C. So we want A but not what? C. So removing the C, write the rest of the A. So in A we have 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Here till 2, 3 we have. A is nothing but the even number on the first die. So this will not come in A. In this, removing this value, the other 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6 we can include. 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, and there is no 3 thing, and for 4 there is 4, 1 in C. So leaving 4, 1, the rest we need to write, which is 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Same way 6 we have 6 series. So 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. So I have written all the 5 subdivision. We'll move on to the sixth one. Sixth one they have asked for B or means union. B union C. B union C we need to write the elements of everything. So B union C in this case, here let me write all the elements. Here 1, 1, even that we have in both. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Here it has only even number, odd number on the first die. But in C we have 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. All the 3 series we can write. So 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. It has 4, 1 on C. So let me take 4, 1 and all the 5 series. So 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5 and 5 comma 6. So that's all with the B union C. They have asked for the next subdivision. Will move on to the 7th one. They have asked for B and C. B and C is nothing but B intersection C. So B intersection C is the common element. Check your C, the same one element, that is the odd numbers on the first die. Write all the odd numbers on the first die on C, so that you will get your B. So 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4. Then we have 3 series, so 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 2. So this is the B intersection C, which is our 7th subdivision. We'll move on to the 8th one. In 8th one, they have asked for A intersection B complement intersection C complement. A intersection B complement intersection C complement. Already we know the A intersection. A intersection means A. We know our A. We know B complement is nothing but A. So it includes A. C complement is other than C. We need to write the C complement. So C complement, leaving the C, the rest will be your C complement. So first write your C complement, then take the common thing. It will be better for you to find it. So let me write the C complement. C complement, leaving C, write the rest. We have 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4. So it becomes 1 comma 5. We can take 1 comma 6 and 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3 is there in C. So leaving that, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5 and 2 comma 6. 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2 we have there. So 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 1 we have there. So 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6. Like that we have 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5 and 6 6. So now we need to write the A intersection B complement C intersection C complement. So the common thing, we know that A intersection B complement both are same because B complement is nothing but A. Just now we have found in subdivision 2. So including C complement, this and compare A, the intersection part, the same part is nothing but two comma 4. We have all the even numbers. Write all the even numbers. So this even numbers, it is there in A. So even this we have. So these are the A intersection B complement intersection C complement. 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, then 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6. Same way 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5 and 6 comma 6. This is A intersection B complement intersection C complement. That's all with the sum. Thank you.